Every great change begins with a visionary. At Sri Rama Rural Sainik School, Chilumuru, that visionary is Tulasi Vishnu Prasad Garu. With a heart dedicated to education, he always believed that today's students must be equipped with tomorrow's technology. Because of Tulasi Vishnu Prasad Garu's efforts, students are not just learning, they are creating, innovating, and preparing for a brighter future. He understood the needs of the students and decided to bring them something more advanced, more powerful.
Anycubic 3 combo. So this is one of the first schools receiving this printer.
Our lab welcomed the advanced Anycubic Kobra 3 combo printer, a step into the future. Today, our students are not just learning, they are creating, innovating, and preparing for tomorrow. A true teacher doesn't just teach, he inspires. Understanding the needs of students, Tulasi Vishnu Prasad Garu envisioned a brighter future where technology opens new doors for learning.
The journey of innovation began with Flashforge Adventurer 3D printer.
We used this printer to make small objects.
It was exciting, but sometimes our ideas were bigger.
Sir always asked us what we wanted to build.
When we saw the new 3D printer for the first time, we were so excited.
This new printer helping us learn modern technology. I feel more confident about my future.
It was faster, bigger, and could print things we only imagined before.
Our students learned to imagine and creating, but they dreamed of doing more.
Thank you, Tulasi Vishnu Prasad Garu, for believing us.
He listened our ideas and told us, you can achieve more if you have right tools. That really inspired us.
So we are in Atal Tinkering Lab. You know what Atal Tinkering Lab is, right? From the last few months, the new students, from the last few years, the old students, you are interacting with this lab, right? When we have already sent many children to various competitions across the country, and since 2015, we went to IIT Roorkee, then we went to IIT Roorkee again in 2017, then we went to another competition in Hyderabad IIT, and we also went to Andhra University competition also. There, people won first prize in robotics. Okay, so Atal Tinkering Lab is very exciting, isn't it? So you are learning many new things, right? So now today, so we are introducing you to another latest equipment in the lab. This is 3D printer. As you people know, we already have a 3D printer, right? So we also have facilities for robotics here. We also have facilities for drones to action into an enterprise in the lab itself. So start having ideas, start implementing them. This is what for this lab is. Good to hear that. I wish you all the best in the future, in the coming days.
Thanks to his vision, the school's Atal Tinkering Lab stepped into a new era of innovation.
Stay tuned for more updates.